welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn how to use text effects. Firstly, you need to know how to access the text effects. First, create a document. Go to any of the sizes that you want. After canvas, add text to your design. Click text, tab on the left sidebar and add. You can choose add a heading or subheading or add a little bit of body text and type your the box. Now to access your text effects, select the text that you want to edit, and when you are selecting the text you will be able to see this effects option here. Canva offers several effect categories. Now tap on effects and you will be able to find different type of styles and the shape here. Now just tap on the design that you want to do. Now you can also use the thickness to visualize your design. After doing it, you can go to transparency panel to decrease or increase the transparency. You can also click on the color title in the top toolbar to change the text color, and you can use the transparency slider to make the text semi-transparent. By experimenting these tools, you will quickly master text effects. You can also use a heading, add neon effect with pink glow, add shadow for depth, or you can also use animate section here. That's it for today. Hope you have learned something from it. If you have liked our video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next tutorial.